you use some doctors who can justify what will be the good and what was the good medicine for her, fit for her physical problem, Father. Lord, iningatak na sa mo, Psalms 91:16, with long life will I satisfy you and show you my salvation. That's your promise, Father. Na gusto ni Mads nga na-claim Ginoo. Taas nga kinabuhi. Nag-ingon man ka, Lord, sa Psalms 90:10, 70 lang ang edad apan karon, Lord, aduna nay upat ka tuig imong gihatag nga pabor kay Mads, Father. Our prayers, our declaration of God, more years to come, more victories, healing, and more courageous to serve you, and have a strong faith serving you, Father. Uban ang inyong lablab, yung mga anak, mga apo Ginoo. Kanamo karon, ang declaration, Father, yung ginong duhaton kay tapos your promises, Father. Lord, we claim your promise, Father, that your word says